Here's a quick recipe idea using chicken wings. They're inexpensive, delicious, and stay super moist when you cook them in the oven. I've got 3 ingredients that are going to make the most sticky, magical sauce. Sweet soy that I'll add to a bowl. We want about 1/4 cup. I like the sweet soy because it's slightly sweet, but it's sticky and molasses-like. Also salty, which is what we want to balance the next ingredient, which is some cloudy apple juice. So another 1/4 cup. And to make sure that the apple juice and the soy sticks nicely to our chicken wings, I love the addition of some tomato paste, about a tablespoon. We'll whisk that together. And now for our chicken wings. If you like, you can prepare them by taking the wing tip off. But you know what? I don't mind. I want this to be a really quick dinner, so I'm going to cook them as is. So we'll pop them into a baking tray. I've also preheated my oven to 180 degrees, and I'm going to cook these for about 30 minutes, turning them regularly. Because we've got that high sugar content in there from the apple juice, we don't want them to burn. So now pour this yummy mixture over the top. It smells fantastic with that apple juice. And then with your hands, get in there and give them a mix. You can marinate this up to 2 days ahead of time, or if you're hungry like me, want to get straight into it, you can pop them immediately into the oven. So in they go, like I said, 20 to 30 minutes. We'll turn them a few times. How good do these look? Sticky and crispy chicken wing tips. That's a combination of 4 ingredients done in half an hour. I would serve that with some steamed rice and maybe some Asian greens. Simple dinner. That's how we like it.